Welcome to the Denver campus of Lincoln College of Technology. I'm Dr. Kelly Moore, the campus president. We're very excited to show you our 212,000 square foot facility, providing education and training to students in the automotive and skilled trades disciplines. We offer 5 academic disciplines here at this campus: automotive, diesel, collision repair, welding, and HVAC. We're excited to have you here today. You're joining me here in the Auto Lab at the Denver campus of Lincoln College of Technology. It's 43,000 square feet of space, 60 auto bays. We have 18 lifts, 3 heavy duty that are available for our students to work on the vehicles provided by Lincoln Tech as they begin their training to move into an automotive technology career field. In addition to the lifts, we have a variety of alignment racks available, tire changers, and additional equipment for our students to get hands-on here at the campus. Behind me, you'll also see that we partner with Matco Tools to provide all of the tools that our students need while working through their entire program here at Lincoln College of Technology. Welcome to the Collision Lab at the Denver campus for Lincoln College of Technology. Behind me comprises 17,000 square feet of space and 19 bays, including a variety of equipment to teach our students the entry-level career field of collision repair technology. There are 2 paint booths and a mixing booth, as well as a separate space for our welding booths that allow the students to receive all of the technical training and skill sets to start their entry-level career in the field. We use PPG paints, waterborne and soluble paints, as well as provide ICAR certification to our students. Welcome to our diesel lab. We have 9 bays available for our students to work on, and in this program you will get experience working on medium, heavy, and light duty diesels. In addition to learning everything there is to know about how diesel engines run and operate, you will also gain experience learning a variety of welding techniques. We're standing in one of the classrooms dedicated to our HVAC program. In our HVAC curriculum, the students will get the opportunity to learn on a variety of equipment that will give them entry-level positions into either residential or commercial opportunities within the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning fields. In addition to the equipment that our students will be working on, we partner with industry professionals. Johnson Controls is one of those industry professionals, and this is a classroom that is sponsored by them. Welcome to one of our welding classrooms sponsored by Miller Welding. The equipment that you see behind me is our Augmented Arc virtual welding machine products. It allows our students to learn how to weld virtually before they actually get into the lab. Our welding lab is made up of 90 welding booths, and students will learn MIG, TIG, stick, fabrication, and pipe welding processes while they're here in our program.
Hi everyone, my name is Levi Myers and I'm the Director of Field Admissions here at Lincoln Tech in beautiful Denver, Colorado. I hope that you're enjoying the tour. If you're a senior in high school and if you're thinking about the skilled trades, I encourage you to visit our website. Also seniors, if you're thinking about scholarships that you may qualify for, once again that information can be found on our website. Once again, I hope that you enjoy the tour. We look forward to seeing you here in Denver.
My name is Lorianne Weiss and I'm the Director of Financial Aid here at the Denver campus. Our goal is a hands-on approach for completing the financial aid process. That includes completing the FAFSA, understanding federal loans, and applying for scholarships. We are excited to be a part of your educational journey and looking forward to seeing you in the near future.
Hi, I'm Jen Hash, Senior Director of Admissions at Lincoln Tech Denver campus. We have a knowledgeable admissions team that is here to discuss your career goals and put you on a path to reach those goals through one of our programs at Lincoln Tech. It is very important to us for you to understand our programs and the opportunities that they can provide upon graduation.
Hi, I'm Joe Oliver, the Director of Career Services. The Career Services team is here to help you with your professional development and getting a job in your field of study. We'll assist you with career skills such as resume writing, networking, interview preparation, and we'll connect you with employers that are looking to hire Lincoln Tech graduates.
My name is Dwayne Isbell and I'm the Academic Dean for Lincoln Tech Denver. I lead a team of instructors and education leaders who have cumulatively decades upon decades of experiences that they are excited to pass on to you. The instructors in the education department focus on providing you with theoretical knowledge and hands-on experiences in the labs, and the education leadership team focuses on your success by monitoring attendance and grades and providing you with all the tools to get you through the program to graduation and out into the workforce.